All right, good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. Ish, today we decided to want to come out, just for to have some fun. My wife, where we are now? Where are we?
We are in Gordon's Bay.
In Gordon's Bay. All right.
Guys, we got a sun today for the first time since we came back. So we saw it's sunny, even though it's so cold, but it's sunny today. So we decided to come out.
Yo, guys, it's
out of
cold.
The house.
It's cold in Cape Town. Yo, I wish I can have this sun. Yeah, guys, just want to show you, this is actually it's actually called the Gordon's Bay. We are in a place where we can actually, let's go to the side so we can show them. Right, we're in a place where we can actually, you can actually have some, vacation. It's an area where you can actually book an apartment with your family. You see all those houses there?
Cape Town is beautiful.
It's
guys.
beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful around July. You understand?
So if you ever come to Cape Town, don't forget to come to Gordon's Bay.
Exactly. Understand? Let me just quickly show you nicely. Understand? So, so you guys mustn't think, let me just show you guys. All right. So now, as you can see here, all right, this is actually the sea. We are in the, from here to that side, you are heading to Cape of Good Hope. It's where Africa ends. Africa ends and Africa starts. Right. So this place actually it's in Gordon's Bay. There's a lot of apartments here. You can actually have to come and book with your family. So I once booked an apartment here, but I can't remember which section was it. Was it this side or that side? I can't remember. But it's such a wonderful place. Understand? Such a wonderful place. As you can see here, here's the sea, right? Yeah, all right. Going that side, you can actually go to that road can actually take you to George, right? So these are all houses, and so forth, right? And as you can see, it's the street, it's the road. Yeah, right. All right. So now, yeah, all right. So this is the sea. It's Atlantic Sea, all right? Atlantic. We are in Atlantic. On the other side, that side is, yeah. You see, so there's a lot of sunny, the sun. You can't see it clearly, but now where we stay on the other side. There, just 3 minutes drive from the beach, from the sea, to where we are. We stay. You understand? So it's very easy.